So far, we haven't built anything, and you may be getting a little bit edgy. When are we going to start building the page? But all that I'm showing you now is really important to get done at some point when you are creating your website. Your featured image, your excerpt, your site title, your favicon, all of these things. I do recommend that you make a short list of them and you do it at the beginning where it is possible, because these things just happen once. You just change the featured image maybe once. You just set a site title once. And because you don't do that more often for a website, you forget. And that is why I can find so many websites so often that didn't make those changes, still has the WordPress favicon, still have just another WordPress site, and just try to avoid that. But we want to start building our page. Let's leave this tab open in the front. We go back into the WordPress editor. We are going to use Brizy to build out the content. And having installed Brizy, you will see here in the toolbar at the top, there is a button, Edit with Brizy. And we are going to select that. Let's do that. And this opens the Brizy page builder for us. Once you go in here, it's going to look worlds apart from WordPress. And that is the warning I always tell people. WordPress is such an open field to play with that every little plugin you bring in, it has their own interface. So you have to learn each interface again. The difference is this one is 1,000,000 times easier to navigate and use than actual WordPress. The setup of this user interface is marvelous. So you're going to find it's really a breeze and easy to use it. Sorry for that. What we want to do here though is also get this page ready. Because I've clicked Edit with Brizy, go to the front, this one that is open, and click on Refresh. And wait, where is my heading? Where is my page title? Aha, this has disappeared because we are now editing in Brizy. And if you go back into Brizy, there's nothing on this page. And it's because we see this block that says start building your page. It tells us there's nothing. There's no header, there's no footer, there's no page title. And that's why it is empty. What we want to do though is we want to use the header from Blocksy and we want to use the footer from Blocksy. And to do that, we have to tell Brizy, hey, this canvas that you give us here, please give us the Blocksy canvas. The page can be yours, Brizy, but the header and the footer, that we want Blocksy. And that's very easy to do. Go to the sidebar here of Brizy on the left, and you will see there's a little page icon here in the bottom left. Click on that and note that we already have the featured image here. Great, so you can even put the featured image here, but we already did that in WordPress. Brilliant. And then we have page template. It's set to Brizy Template, and that's why everything is clean. But what we want to do is use the Blocksy theme. And that is then referred to as default. Default means the WordPress theme template. So select default and the page will reload. And then we're going to see the header, the page title, and we're going to see again the footer. There we go. So all of this content that you see here at the top, this here, this we have to thank Blocksy. And then here at the bottom, who do we need to thank? Blocksy. Because Blocksy and Brizy, these two names are so close, I often find after when I edit the videos that I mix it up. So apologies for that. The theme, the header and the footer, this is Blocksy, but this area here, this one is Brizy. That's going to be the page. Great. So let's clean all of this and exit. And now we are going to be working within our Blocksy canvas. Let's just jump to the front end again, where we currently have this empty page, and reload this page. And you see our header comes back, our page title with this excerpt that appears there also appearing. And then we have our footer.